Hello student, this is a tutorial guide to world's first AP Bluebook portal developed by Quest for Success. To access AP Calculus, AB and BC tests, log into digitalpep.questforsuccess.in, sign in or register yourself as a new user, activate your email through a link sent to your email, and you'll have to put in your phone number. After putting in the phone number, a verification code will go on to your phone. Kindly put the one-time password for your verification of the phone number, followed by more such relevant details to complete your profile. Once the profile is complete, you will be directed to all the available courses that Quest for Success provides. Click on AP Calculus, AB and BC. You'll be directed to your dashboard of AP Calculus, AB and BC. You can click on Upgrade Plan and then you'll have to purchase it at an amount. After clicking on Purchase Now, once the purchase is complete, you can go back to your dashboard, click on the Learning Hub section on the left hand side. You'll be able to get access to all the sectional tests, unit assessments, and our full length mocks. You can scroll down and see all of these tests given. The flex of the structured tests are timed tests, whereas the assignments or the quizzes are the untimed tests. In the untimed tests, we have put up all our sectional tests, and in our timed tests, we have put up our unit assessments and full length mocks. To start any test, just scroll, click on the particular test which says Start Test, and you'll be directed to the test in the Bluebook format. You can hover over the questions, answer all the questions, and then finally submit the test. Once the test is submitted, you can also review the test through our analytics reports. Click on Review Your Test Now. You'll be able to see the correct answer, the incorrect answer, and the explanation to almost 90% of the questions put up here. Utilize these tests as much as possible. All the best for your AP exam.